David Hyundai, an investigative journalist, has alleged that the president-elect Bola Ahmed Tinubu is leaning on President Muhammadu Buhari to declare a public holiday on Friday, May 26th, in a bid to stop the Supreme Court from delivering judgment on the alleged double nomination of his vice Kasim Shettima. Hey guys, welcome back to Prospect Channel TV. Thank you for always coming out here. If you are just joining us, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you. TINUBU wants Buhari to declare Friday public holiday to stop Supreme Court from disqualifying him, David Hyundai alleges. Nigerians. An investigative journalist has alleged that the president-elect Bola Ahmed Tinubu is leaning on President Muhammadu Buhari to declare a public holiday on Friday, May 26th, in a bid to stop the Supreme Court from delivering judgment on the alleged double nomination of his vice president Kasim Shettima. The investigation journalist made this revelation after the Supreme Court on Monday fixed May 26th for judgment on Shettima's alleged double nomination filed by the People's Democratic Party (PDP). The People's Gazette publication said the judgment would determine whether Mr. Shettima would be sworn in as the vice president or if his candidacy would be truncated. The publication also noted that if affirmed, Mr. Shettima's disqualification could truncate the swearing-in of Bola Tinubu as president since they ran a joint ticket. David Hyundai's tweet in the regard reads, "Information reaching me now from an insider is that official BAT is trying to lean on President Muhammadu Buhari to declare a public holiday on Friday 26th May, which is the date the Supreme Court is supposed to deliver the judgment that could disqualify him." He also tasked Lagos State Governor Sanwo-Olu and his money lenders in chief, Herbert, to raise a total of 100 billion naira with which to approach the Supreme Court justice. The People's Gazette publication also said a senior lawyer, Joe Agim, told the court on Monday that the All Progressive Congress (APC) had earlier admitted Mr. Shettima's double nomination at the appellate court, but the APC denied the allegation. Meanwhile, in another story, the President Joe Biden of the United States announced the delegation that will attend the inauguration of the president-elect Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Also, Face of Waziri, Nigeria, a non-governmental organization, has raised the alarm that there are moves to force President Muhammadu Buhari to declare a public holiday ahead of Friday, May 26, which has been set aside by the Supreme Court to decide on a suit filed by the candidates of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) in the presidential election held on February 25th. Alhaji Atiku Abubakar is challenging the eligibility of Bola Ahmed Tinubu of the ruling party. So you see, words David Hyundai is saying, and this other group, they are still echoing it as well. Comrade Buki Adeniyi, the Director General of the group Front, addressed reporters in Lagos on Monday and said that the action was made to prevent the Supreme Court Justice from delivering a decision on the issue before the date of the inauguration on May 29. Atiku Abubakar had filed a petition contesting the eligibility of Tinubu and his vice president, the vice president-elect Alhaji Kasim Shettima, who was claimed to have had double nomination as a senatorial candidate and the vice presidential candidate in the same election. Atiku had also challenged the eligibility of Tinubu's son, Bola Tinubu. The organization claimed that clandestine efforts were being made to subvert the functioning of the judiciary system by conspiring to have President Muhammadu Buhari proclaim a holiday on the day that the court ruling was scheduled to take place. There is a huge scheme to force President Muhammadu Buhari to designate Friday, May 26 as public holiday in order to delay the administration of justice. It is upsetting to note that those who wish to do harm will stop at nothing in their efforts to go against the will of the people. They are very aware that once the court sits, their inauguration plans will be scuttled because there are so many issues regarding the candidacy of TINUBU and his running mate Shettima, said the source. Their inauguration plans will be scuttled because there are so many issues. We have it on good authority that TINUBU has already mandated his boys Babajide, Sanwo-Olu, Glibat, and One Herbert to source for 100 billion naira each to bribe the judges to rule in their favor. This is to make good this plot sail through. Our source said, to make good this plot sail through. And Adeniyi made it clear that the members of FRAN would not remain silent while the Temple of Justice was profaned by power mongers motivated by greed and desperation. Nigerians, you don't set be this. We are watching. And if May 26 will be declared as public holiday, what are they going to say about it? Why is May 26 declared public holiday? Well, let's see how it goes. I'm dropping it here, guys. Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel.